Alright guys, good morning. Punta tayo ng seaside guys.
How is this one?
Kamusta ka? Mahal ko Pilipinas. Mahal ko Pilipinas. We will catch fish guys. Ang daming isda guys, oh. Maliliit na isda. Dami. Ang kapal.
No, hold the fish.
See? Number one. Small fish.
We clean first.
Throw inside.
You can eat now this one.
No.
Eat.
I'm going to take group and I said that today we are going to bring for you fish.
Eat now, eat.
Yes?
You can eat now this one. No problem. Alright guys, good morning. Punta tayo ng seaside guys. Punta tayo ng seaside. Magwo-walking. Mga mandarigma ng India. Mga fishing man ng India. Mahal kita! Kamusta ka guys? Mabuti. We need to go that side, right? Yes. We will go there, na? Magsa-set up na sila ng gamit nila guys. Mamimingwit sila. Yo, what's up mga ka-Renzo? Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. It's me again, Renzo Vlog. And for today's video, andito tayo sa seaside guys. Maglalakad-lakad tayo dito sa seaside. Alright, samahan nyo kami. Let's go!
This I use for building. How is this one?
Kamusta ka? Odike! Odike. Mahal ko Pilipinas. Mahal ko Pilipinas. Taga-India yan guys. Pero nakakapagsalita ng Philippine language.
I'm from India. Mr. Renzo friend.
Kidara India bhai?
India, North India.
North India.
West Bengal.
Bengal.
Yes. I'm on the way West Bengal from India. Looks like
Nepali.
Nepali. Looks like similar Filipino.
Yes.
Similar Bhutani.
Yeah.
But not.
But you are handsome, na?
No, I'm not handsome. See, I'm Kharban.
You're not
I'm
Karman.
Majnun. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
We will catch fish.
Yeah. Now we go to catch fish, cooking, eating, hugging.
Try natin guys mag-fishing. Kung may mahuhuli. Giripashu! Swimming now, swimming!
I don't know where I left my kid.
Giripashu! How many fish now they catch?
Your problem. Maybe I left my kid from there.
What?
Kid. In here.
हाँ भैया कितना पीस है कच नहीं है अरे बहुत प्रॉब्लम है भाई कच नहीं है
Arman, take it fast, otherwise it will be stuck in the stone.
how many lure you have and what how much so
This one is one fish is catch and it's broken.
only one fish then broke how
Allah,
come?
maybe I think it's the big one.
We will catch fish guys
Ih, salah re, aiga.
we are the fisherman you don't know how to catch
Uy, Rustam, go backside.
I'm a good fisherman or no?
Yeah.
Why there's no fish?
We want to ask with the goat only. Goat, give some fishes for us.
Because it's already 8 o'clock
8 o'clock na. We want to come in early morning.
Finish their
But yeah, breakfast class. Now we want to come in the dinner only. But in the dinner we cannot come because we don't have off.
They don't want to eat now because they fish also make diet now.
Yeah.
Change location.
Yeah, we change location now.
Wala kami mahuling isda guys. Tanghali na kasi kami nagpunta ng dagat. Ang daming isda guys oh. Maliliit na isda. Dami. Ang kapal. Ang kapal ng isda oh. Maliliit. Oh.
नहीं चलेगा
Kapal.
मछली बस
सुनो तो यार पकड़ने नहीं देते इलीगल ऐसा कुछ
नहीं चलेगा अब कोई नहीं देखे तक सब लीगल कोई देखे तो इलीगल होता है
Pero maliliit lang sila guys. Pero ang dami oh. Hanggang dun.
अब यहाँ से तो छोटे
Sa
छोटे
ilalim ng tulay, ang dami.
इसमें एक दो बड़े दिखे थे, अभी देखते हैं, अभी ये friendship के साथ try कर रहा है, बस कोई गाली ना दे दे हमें यहाँ पे।
बस इसको छोड़ के चले जाएंगे।
अपन 9-2-11 हो जाएंगे क्या?
बस बस नहीं, मेरे को पता नहीं ये लोग
और कोई पूछेगा तो बता हम इसको पहचान नहीं भाई, एक
Where?
मछली पकड़ लिया इसने, ठीक है?
Ando, you
Oh, dear.
fish. Ando.
एक मछली पकड़ लिया हम लोग ने। ये रहा।
1-0.
Catch this one, Orido.
No, hold
Hold
the
it.
fish.
See? Number 1. Orido,
You wanna kill the fish or what?
Small fish.
We kill him first. Throw inside.
No.
You can eat now this one.
No.
Eat.
I'm going to take group and I said that today we are going to bring for you fish.
Eat now, eat.
Yes?
You can eat now this one. No problem.
Yeah, this one.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Ayan, sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa inyong panonood. Sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, just click the subscribe button at ang ating notification bell para lagi po kayo updated sa ating mga bagong video. Alright, see you all guys on my next vlog. Renzo Vlog is signing off. Yes sir!